Welcome to another exciting review on branded cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we dive into the 2025 Volkswagen Polo, a hatchback that continues to set the standard in its segment. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. The Volkswagen Polo has always been known for its premium feel, solid build quality, and reliable performance. The 2025 model takes things up a notch with refreshed styling, enhanced technology, and improved efficiency. Starting with the design, the new Polo carries Volkswagen's modern design language with a sharper front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a sportier bumper. The updated alloy wheels add a touch of elegance, while the streamlined body gives it a dynamic and youthful look. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights and a subtle spoiler complete the refined styling. Under the hood, Volkswagen offers a range of powertrains, including a 1.0-liter TSI turbocharged engine with different power outputs, providing a balance of efficiency and performance. For those looking for a sportier drive, the GTI variant packs a 2.0-liter turbo engine, delivering more power and excitement on the road. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic, the Polo offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point, making it an ideal choice for both city commutes and highway drives. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with a premium cabin featuring high-quality materials and a modern layout. The 2025 Polo boasts a fully digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a redesigned steering wheel with haptic controls. Ambient lighting, improved seat upholstery, and a more spacious feel make the Polo's interior one of the best in its class. When it comes to safety, Volkswagen has equipped the Polo with advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. Multiple airbags, a strong chassis, and Volkswagen's commitment to safety ensure peace of mind for every drive. Pricing for the 2025 Polo varies depending on the variant and market, but it remains competitively positioned against rivals like the Ford Fiesta and Toyota Yaris. With its blend of performance, technology, and safety, the Polo continues to be a top contender in the hatchback segment. So, is the 2025 Volkswagen Polo worth considering? Absolutely. With its stylish looks, efficient yet punchy engines, tech-loaded interior, and strong safety features, it remains one of the best choices for those looking for a premium hatchback experience. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Branded Cars for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next one.